Welcome to Traders Lessons, your go-to trading academy for all your supply and demand knowledge. Understanding supply and demand is crucial in becoming a successful trader in any market. Supply refers to the amount of a product or service available, while demand refers to the desire and willingness to buy that product or service. When supply is low and demand is high, prices tend to increase, creating a bullish market. On the other hand, when supply is high and demand is low, prices often decrease, leading to a bearish market. Analyzing supply and demand levels can help you identify potential trading opportunities and make informed decisions. The law of supply and demand is a fundamental concept of economics that governs the pricing of goods and services. When demand exceeds supply, prices can rise, and when supply exceeds demand, prices can fall. Understanding the balance between supply and demand is key to predicting market trends and making profitable trades. Supply and demand levels can be identified through technical analysis tools such as support and resistance levels. Support levels indicate a potential buying area, where demand exceeds supply, resulting in a price bounce. Resistance levels, on the other hand, indicate a potential selling area, where supply exceeds demand, causing price rejection. By analyzing supply and demand zones, traders can gauge market sentiment and make informed trading decisions. Supply and demand zones can act as strong levels of support and resistance, providing entry and exit points for trades. Remember, supply and demand are constantly changing, influenced by factors such as news events and market sentiment. At Traders Lessons, we provide comprehensive education on supply and demand trading strategies, helping you become a successful trader. Join our academy today and gain the knowledge and skills needed to navigate the world of supply and demand trading.